Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use coins on AliExpress. Coins on AliExpress helps you to get a special discount when you purchase any items. To use coins on AliExpress, you need to first open your AliExpress on your mobile phone. I'm going on with the website of AliExpress, so open any web browser available on your device. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.aliexpress.com. Then tap on arrow icon. With this, you'll be taken to official website of AliExpress. Now here you need to make sure that you are logged into your AliExpress account. After you get logged in, you'll be able to find coins option on the left side. Tap on coins option. Now, AliExpress provides you with different opportunities in which you can redeem the coins. Here I am getting coins when I check in daily, so you can tap on check-in option if you have this option. After this, you'll be able to collect some coins. Now after you collect some coins from AliExpress, then here you can scroll down. Then here you can see the items in which the coins provide you with discounts. Now here you can scroll down and look for the items in which you want to use the coins. Then tap on the given item. With this, now you need to select the quantity, size or color according to the item you have chosen. Then you can directly tap on buy now option present on the down right. After this, you can continue the further process of ordering the item. This is how we can use coins on AliExpress. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.